This session will provide a comprehensive walkthrough on how to find your learners and navigate their information within the MedSIS system. To begin, access MedSIS by logging in with your UCalgary or AHS credentials. This will direct you to the MedSIS homepage, which serves as your central hub for all system activities. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the Learner Curriculum button. This action will take you to the main section where you can view and manage all the curriculum-related information for your assigned learners. After selecting Learner Curriculum, you'll arrive at a screen displaying a comprehensive list of all learners assigned to you. This list is crucial for quickly identifying and accessing individual learner profiles. If you find that a specific learner is not appearing on your list, please ensure that both your search bar and any active filters are cleared to reveal all available entries. To view a specific learner's details, simply locate their name within the list and click on it. This action will open their individual profile, allowing you to delve deeper into their progress and curriculum. Clicking on a learner's name will take you directly to their personalized dashboard. Here you can view all the EPAs associated with that learner's curriculum. It's important to note that for residents who started their program before July 2026, their dashboard will display 26 EPAs without progress bars. However, for those starting after July 2026, the curriculum dashboard will look similar to this screenshot. Thank you for completing this MedSIS training. If you require any further assistance or have questions, please visit the FM ServiceNow portal for support.